In this lecture, I am going to show you how we can calculate the quantity of materials, that is cement, sand and aggregates, for any grade of concrete by using the Excel sheet. For illustration, let's consider a slab of size 5 meter into 4 meter, and let's assume the thickness of slab be 150 mm, that is 0.15 meter. To calculate the quantity of materials, we just need to put the input values. The length of slab is 5 meters, so we need to put 5 meter here. The width of slab we have assumed as 4 meter, so we just need to put 4 meter out here. And we have assumed the thickness of slab as 150 mm, that is 0.150 meter. After putting all these values, we will get the volume of slab 3 cubic meter, dry volume 4.62 cubic meter. And let's suppose we are using M20 grade of concrete for casting this slab. The volume of cement will be 0.84 cubic meter, volume of sand 1.26 cubic meter, volume of aggregates 2.52 cubic meter, and the number of cement bags required for casting this slab by using M20 grade of concrete is 24. And in case we are using M25 grade of concrete, the number of cement bags will be 33, aggregate volume will be 2.31, sand volume 1.16, and the volume of cement will be 1.16. If you are a civil engineering student or if you aspire for a job in the same field, then I have a good news for all of you that we have launched a complete site engineer course on Civil Tutor app. This course will be beneficial for not only the UG students of civil engineering, even the contractors and experienced professionals can benefit from this course. This is a detailed course to gain complete knowledge on building construction from start to finish. After taking this course, you will understand how a building is constructed from scratch with practical photos plus videos. So, if you want to learn the construction sequence and its practical application on site, then this is the right choice for you. The language of this course is English.